How to change your Discord status. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your Discord status. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Discord application or Discord website, and once you are here, make sure you have successfully logged into your account. Now all you have to do is, as you can see, currently my status is online, so to simply change it, just select this online green dot button over here and you will still see the option called online, and when you hover over it you can see there are three different options other than online. So basically you can choose or remain to be idle, so which doesn't do anything, but if you click on this do not disturb, you will not receive any desktop notifications, and if you click on this dark circle button over here, that is invisible icon, you will appear offline. So once you do any one of these, you can also even customize your time frame for about how long you want to appear offline, just like this, similar to Facebook Messenger. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.